This video will illustrate the software setup and use of the HydroSpeed washer with the Thermo Scientific RapidStak and Polera RS software. Polera RS is the control and scheduling software that is included with the RapidStak. On screen is the welcome page of Polera RS. As you will see, there are no instruments in our setup. So the first step is to add the HydroSpeed to our workspace. To do this, go to the ribbon Control, select Tools, then Options, and once the Options pop-up is open, select the Equipment tab. While on the Equipment tab, we need to configure the RapidStak. So we need to select the Settings button, and here we need to configure a few of the properties. So under Mode, we need to be in Normal mode. We also have a simulation mode, but to actually run the RapidStak and the equipment, we need to be in a normal mode. You need to give the RapidStak a name. I've just given it RapidStak. And you also need to identify the COM port that the RapidStak is on. And I know that my COM port is number 19. And we hit OK. Next, we need to add our instruments. I'm going to select Instrument 2 because my HydroSpeed is on the right-hand side of the RapidStak. Next, I just select the instrument from the drop-down, which is HydroSpeed, and as you can see, we've got our settings pop up. Again, the mode needs to be set to normal. We need to give our instrument a name, so I'm going to name mine HydroSpeed. And you'll see here, I'm just going to make this a little bigger, is that the protocol path is predefined. There we go. The protocol path is predefined to the default installation location of the HydroControl software. If you changed the default location during the install, you'll need to change it here as well. And just hit OK. So now you'll see back on the welcome page that we do have the instrument added to our system. So all we have to do now is select Create this assay under the Tasks panel. So once we select Create this assay, we are now at the process editor. So all we have to do is drag and drop operations of the HydroSpeed or the RapidStak under the operations panel into the center of the page or the process editor. So I am going to pull Run Onboard Program into the center, and now we just select and modify the properties. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit Refresh Protocol List, and what this is going to do is it's going to pull and refresh all the saved protocols on the HydroSpeed so that I can use them in my properties. And as you can see, it's refreshed, and on the programs has become active, and as you can see, these are now all the protocols that I have saved on my HydroSpeed. So I'm going to run test 2. And that's it. Next, all I have to do is click Run this assay. Next, we just select the Restack button on our Start Assay Run pop-up, and we hit Start Now. So now all we have to do is select Start Now. In the background, you'll hear the RapidStak homing and establishing communication with the HydroSpeed. Now shortly on the screen, you'll see a real-time status of operations as they happen on the equipment. And so as you can see on the screen, the RapidStak is retrieving container 1. And now we are running the protocol on container 1 on the HydroSpeed. And now it's moving container 1 back to the RapidStak, and we'll see the process happen all over again on container number 2 as it moves container 2 over to the HydroSpeed. So here we have the actual equipment view of the RapidStak running with the HydroSpeed. The RapidStak has just run its process on a plate, and it's about to load it with another plate. And here you can see the HydroSpeed prepping for the plate, and the RapidStak has also prepped another plate and it's staging it. And we're going to run the same exact process on the next plate and the next plate. Now we'll just see a close-up view of the RapidStak loading the nest of the HydroSpeed. And prepping another plate. The RapidStak arm will sit in location waiting for the plate to complete its process.